Tick, tick, the clock won't sleep.
Hey watch lovers, welcome back to this channel. Let's talk watches, where design meets nostalgia and every tick tells a story. Today we are diving into something truly unique, the Delhi watch company Devanagari Chronograph, a timepiece that blends Indian heritage with modern mechanics. At first glance, the chronograph is a stunner, but look closer, you will see something rare. The dial features Devanagari script, and not just a design accent, but as the actual numerals. It's a tribute to India's rich typographic legacy, and it's the first of its kind using the custom Devanagari date wheel powered by the VK64 MecaQuartz movement. DWC did not hold back on the dial. You've got two different Devanagari fonts, a 24-hour subdial and a chrono minute counter, all laid out with precision. The case is sleek, 39mm wide, 47mm lug to lug and 11mm thick, made of stainless steel. It pairs with 20mm genuine leather strap. It's compact, classy and surprisingly versatile. At the back of the case, you can see the Delhi Watch Company's logo and name with Devanagari sculpted in Hindi. Under the hood, it runs on VK64 MecaQuartz movement, a hybrid movement that gives you quartz accuracy with mechanical chrono feel. The pushers have a satisfying click, and the subdials are functional, not just for show. It's a chronograph that actually earns the name. If we talk about the packaging, it comes in a clean, compact and simple but safe box. The watch comes with 1-year warranty on the movement. And let's not miss the price, which is 4,999 Indian rupees. And for that limited edition chronograph with this kind of design is a steal. What makes this watch special isn't just the specs, it's the story. In a market flooded with generic designs, DWC chose to celebrate Indian script and identity. It's not just a watch, it's a statement. And for collectors, it's a piece of cultural horology. I have been wearing this watch for a few days now, and honestly, people notice and awe with wonder. Few of them ask me about it. What's the script? How did I get this? And then I tell them how I waited for more than 1 year to get this from Delhi Watch Company's official website. Because it's always sold out. And not just this one, even all other watches by DWC get sold within hours whenever they get stocked in. What I'm trying to say is that it's not an ordinary watch. It's a very special, limited edition timepiece. So, if you are into watches that tell stories, celebrate culture, and look amazing doing it, the Delhi Watch Company Devanagari Chronograph deserves a spot in your collection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep ticking, keep talking. Thanks, bye-bye, and take care.